Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct, and today I'm going to be introducing you to the Man's Premier Anti-Bac Cleaning range. Now more than ever, it is important to stay on top of our cleaning regime. The Man's Premier Anti-Bac Cleaner is a versatile cleaner suitable for all surfaces in both the home and commercial properties. Not only, as the name suggests, it's antibacterial, it's also antifungal and antiviral too, meaning it covers all bases when you clean. Its unique formula doesn't degrade oiled finishes, meaning you don't have to do as much maintenance and you get the best out of your oiled finishes. Now, who doesn't want that? As you can see, it comes in two variations. The handy 500ml spray bottle for general day-to-day cleaning and maintenance, or even floors if you have a microfiber mop. Then the beefy 5 litre, perfect for traditional string mops or similar for cleaning larger areas. The 5 litre is the perfect partner for your Keep It For Life 500ml spray bottle. You can refill it and do your bit for the environment. If you need further technical advice or information on your project, why not give us a call or email and put us to the test? We are the experts after all. All the products featured in today's video will be linked in the description on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all future content, and as always do a test stereo.